So 36% of my subscribed. No. So thank you to all my subscribers, but a massive 68% of you that watch my channel don't actually subscribe, which is fine. A lot of people don't subscribe to the other channels because a lot of people don't even have accounts, but I don't normally ask for a subscription on my channel at all, but I suppose I really should because I want to see my channel grow. But yeah, so before the video starts, if you'd kindly like to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, that would be great, and pass me around. If you enjoy salvage content, we have got lots of cars on my channel, ranging from finance repossessions, which is I'm sat in now, down to a Audi convertible, a Fiat Panda, Ford Focus, Polo. We changed stereos in cars, lots and lots of things. So yeah, if you'd like to subscribe, please do so, and I see you in the video. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to try and attempt to give this car a bit of a clean, just so at least we can get in and out of it, because as we all know, it's a bit grim. Annoyingly, I can't open this door anymore, so I've got this little bit of gap. It's a super windy day, and I've got you perched on the driver's headrest. Let me see if I can put the... Oh well, it goes to our back, doesn't it? Right, I'm going to put my pods in. If anybody doesn't know what that is, that's an AirPod, Apple AirPod. Because we don't want to sit here doing this. We've got rain due at 10 o'clock and it's 9:23, so we'll see how we get on before it decides to piss down on me. But we could always be doing something because they're sitting in the house doing nothing. Right, let's get on with it. Right, I've decided to take the seats out. Don't know why I didn't bother with that in the first place, but there you go. I've just done the front ones. I just Torx bit in that. Better. Right, seats out. Which makes life a bit easier, doesn't it? Ooh, nice fag ends, plenty of them. Oh, that's a small screw. I'm surprised if there's a mouse living in there. Just get oh, that was that bit from there, wasn't it? It's not supposed to be in there. Or something along that line. So was it in that one? I don't know. I'm gonna get this one out and we'll come back to you. Well, you can see the seats are out, thank God. They weren't as hard as I thought they would be. But yeah, it's easier to get to... hang on, let me show you. Yeah. The back one just popped out. Mouldy chips. It's the only way to get it really clean, isn't it? Make sure I get to all the bits. Let's get on with it. Right, we're this far. I've decided I'm going to take the carpet out and jet wash it, as obviously with the seats. It's not something I normally do, but even with it, the only thing I can't get out is this. Well, I can. It's just so much effort. It's quite heavy as well. So I'm going to turn you round and let's see if we can get that carpet out a bit. I've done the back. Took everything out, so let's just see how easy this is. It shouldn't be too hard. The only thing is now is the underlay or the sound deadening or whatever it is. It's going to be still in the car, so do I take that out and clean that as well? Shut this door. Fun fact, someone used to live in here. How nice. Oh come on, you know you want to go from there because you're always hanging out there. I'm just debating now whether this centre console... Oh, you shit, ain't you? You just have to be annoying. Does it go over there? Oh. I really didn't want to take the centre console out. But then
Shouldn't need to because there's a gap there. I can see a gap that goes round it. Let's see if we could pull it over. Whew. The dust. Apologies if I'm in your way. Oh yeah. I can see it does go over it. But obviously the centre console is preventing it from going up. Come on, you know you want to. You only need a little bit of give. That's... Oh! 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 Yes! Yes! The dust. There we go. It's better, isn't it? I left the Hoover in the boot. Actually, I'll show you the boot when I go around. Got these big, horrible clouds coming. But they keep blowing away. As soft as that sounds. Clouds are blowing away. Ow. Obviously, taking these seats out would be involved taking the bolts out on that side. So I'm debating. I'm trying to clean that in there. To be fair, cleaning most of it in the garden is much easier. I can leave all this in the garden if it rains. It doesn't quite really matter, does it? So there's the seats. Yeah. Get a good indication of their filth. It's annoying I can get the other ones out if I really wanted to, but I don't. So I'm going to wash them in the car. It is annoying because we could have washed them all together. But there we go. This is the crap that was in the car. I haven't took it to the tip yet. Minus the box, because I did buy a new Henry. The red one that's in the car now. I did use the one in the house. I've got like 5 Hoovers, but I brought a new Pet Henry. That's in the house now, and I've put the red one, well, it's in the shed. But obviously this is all from the car. That's my new cartridge, so that's not in the car. No, and my sound bar. That was from the car, and then a battery. Yeah. So at least it's all out. I can jet wash it now. There we go. Let's see if we can make it improved. only apologise for the wind as soon as we go out, but it's super windy. The weather is shocking, but I've just finished doing the seats. I've been and gone and changed and got a jacket on and everything. So you can see the jet wash. It obviously won't get the hairs out, it never does. I'll brush that off, but the majority of it's out. This is some sort of stain. There's a mark there. This is nearly dry. There are a couple of marks still on it. I didn't actually, and I probably should have. I used a drill brush on it, but I just want to make it better, you know what I mean? That's got to be better than what it was, eh? That's alright to me. No, I can smell it. Don't smell too bad, but there's a bit of marking on there. I didn't exactly go to the town on the old chemicals to clean it though. So as I was cleaning it, some of the grass got on it. Oh, there's a bee then. But yeah, you can see like the jet wash, it never gets the sand out. But you know, I don't mind giving that a bit of a brush over after. I was just about to give it a brush because it felt really dry. But it's not, it's a bit wet, so I've just stuck it on there. But you can see, even with the jet wash there. But this can be brushed, it's not a problem. I wanted to get rid of the smell more than anything. And there's the seats. So I just covered up the sensor for the seat belt. I do want to turn them up the other way, but at the moment I've got them this way, just dripping off from the top. But definitely with the old jet wash you can get to this. I've detailed many of cars, and I've never been able to get these brilliant. The rails, they're always full of oil and crap. And let me just go in this shed so I can speak. It's so bloody windy. Right, so obviously you can see that I've jet washed those. I just want to say, this is the first time I've ever jet washed car seats. I've never ever in a million years jet washed car seats. And I suppose watching Salvage rebuilds didn't help. So yeah, I've jet washed them because I felt that was the only way. This is not a retail car in a dealership. Obviously you wouldn't go this extreme, but this car stunk, and it really stunk. My bath out there, that was a previous smoker's car, even though I brought it from a dealership, and they did their best to get rid of the smell, and I can still smell it when I get into it 3 months on. I was not sure if the previous one was smoked, but the smell's still there. But it's so hard to get rid of the smell. So that's the reason for jet washing it, as you just saw, even though it still looks a bit dirty, is to get rid of the smell. And no amount of cleaning the seats with my Spot Clean Pro would have got those seats that clean. I don't believe that they would have. You just can't get onto the nuts and crannies. So more than anything, I don't even mind cleaning that again, and I don't even mind hoovering it again, which I obviously will, and I certainly don't mind going over it again. But the bulk of the smell and the dirt and the grime, and obviously the crap in the railings, because a lot of stuff falls on the floor, all that tobacco and weed, and it was all in the railings on the chairs. So it would have been very hard to get rid of that just with a cloth, put it that way. So yeah, so don't think bad of me because I've jet washed it. It could have been an interior that you just decided to throw in the bin and start again. I was tempted because that smell, you just can't appreciate that smell. I know people like to say, oh, my car smells, that was just really bad. It's the smelliest I've ever had. So it was a combination of cleaning it or changing the interior. And then the interior is not exactly dear to buy, but yeah, we're going down that route. It's got to smell better than what it does. But anyway, that's my cleaning video on this one. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got more coming up on the old car that we're going to flip. So remember, this is a non-cat car and we're flipping it for profit. So it came to me damaged. We're going to fix it. We're just going to do the interior first. I'm doing the interior because I need to get in and out of it, and I'm just sick of getting in and out of it with that smell and that grime. Don't forget to watch diary videos I've made. My Diary of a Dude. I have like the behind the scenes of these videos where you'll find a lot more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like my content. If you're going to complain about me washing the seats with a jet wash, that's fine, but I don't really care. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.
Next time.